today I'm going to install Divi themes. So how to install it? So I just doing, yeah, this is the dashboard, fresh dashboard. Can visit here side, it is default. Okay, so go to dashboard. Appearance, themes, add new, because already we have previously I was installed Divi theme, so that's why it's doing. Don't worry. Add, upload themes, choose file. I just giving the process how to install Divi. So already we have it. I have a Divi theme, so I just select it, choose file and select it. After that I need to install. I just going to install now. Okay, so it will take some time to installing, so wait and let's see how to look like Divi theme, because it is amazing. So friends, now you can see here Divi is installed. Okay, so because my option was coming was replace it, because I have already installed there, so that's why. If you new, so you can only see install, then you can activate only. Okay, so this is the themes and you can see that type of. Okay, after that you can activate the themes. So activate it. Okay, theme is activated. I is showing activated. This is active. Okay, so now need to go page, add a new page. One thing, I just make once. I just page. Okay, there is everything is empty in single page. So add page. I need to write title here. So I just use home. Okay, home, use Divi builder. Start building. Yeah, this is the page actually. Okay, so here is so many options. Build from search, choose it, remove layout or clone existing page. We don't have any existing page, so and search option both are not secure. We are going to only this remade layout. So go to browsing, and this is the themes. Total how much you can see is increased automatically. So much things there. 2003 total. So you can choose anyone. Okay, you can choose anyone, and also you can choose category wise. Okay, so if I select health and fitness, so there is come only health, and I can choose anyone. For example, family doctor. This is not so bad, it's good. So before it installing, we need to view live demo. So this is the demo file, how to look after installing the page website. This is the landing page, home page. So many edit as usual, your choice. Okay, so use this layout. You need to be paste key. So wait, I just now paste the key. So I just waiting for final installation thing. Okay, this is the page, okay, which is installed. Divi themes. Okay, so you can save draft or directly publish. So we need to publish and save. Okay, so go to dashboard and view site. No, still not come. Wait, just a minute. Page, all page, edit with Divi themes. Okay. Go to site, but not come. What happened? Okay, wait. So I need to set menu also. Okay, appearance, menu. Menu. Create first menu. Okay, and select home and menu. Okay, and save menu. Okay, once thing, check everything and need to publish. So you can go here and delete anyone. Okay, so delete. Remove here. Then save. Go again. Search. You can see only one home, and this is the front page. Okay, so now you can site home. This is the search option. Actually, if you search here everything, so this one otherwise. So this is the how to install Divi themes and menu keys, and also I will see.